Hi, it's Emily from WTI, and I'm here to talk about my favorite Moroccan Pouf from the Maison Marrakech store. This is a 100% leather Moroccan tan Pouf, and it is the perfect addition to your boho chic bedroom. I love that it comes unstuffed because that allows a lot of flexibility and it saves on shipping. I have mine filled with just some pillow filling from the local sewing craft store, but you could also use your imagination and fill it with something else like off-season clothes or your kids' stuffed animals or extra pillows and blankets, and you want a cute place to store them. This would work great for that. I use mine for a footstool, so I love having it filled with really soft pillow stuffing. I love the detailed embroidery on it. I love the feel of the 100% leather, and I just love the look that it has added to my boho bedroom. This is an awesome choice if you're looking for a Moroccan Pouf that you can easily access on Amazon. I have been very happy with the quality and the life of this, and I would definitely buy it again. And that's my point of view.